What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some of the new stuff that came out with the new pets update, and I'm gonna be showing you guys it in code cooked. It's my code. I just came out with it a few days ago. If you guys can please join, it'd be really cool. And I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some cool food. It looks like something's burning. Yeah, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make some cool food and some stuff like that. Like really hard food. Because I have every single recipe in the game. So let's start. So first, explosion. So we have all the ingredients, and we go into the recipe hallway. All these go in the pot, and all these go in the oven. So there's kind of a lot. And then there's no oven there, so these are all this pot. And I'm gonna be showing you guys some of the ones that people don't really know how to make. So first, fancy mac and cheese. So we're gonna need mac and cheese and bacon. If you're like, how do I know how do I make mac and cheese? Mac and cheese. You need milk, cheese, and noodles, pasta, whatever. Milk. Throw it in there, get some cheese. Another milk. Pour it. These. Wait for that to cook. Get this. Put it in there. Wait for that to cook. Get the bacon for the fanciness. Wait for that to cook. Got this. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese in there with this.
Okay, so I kind of did this wrong. This is supposed to go on the stove, so let me just cut to that.
Put that in there. And you got yourself some fancy mac and cheese. Another thing I don't think a lot of people know how to do is the lasagna. Right here. Need lasagna. Noodles, tomato, cheese in the oven. Those in there. Need the cheese. Got cheese. Cheese in there. Got the cook. Just like that, you got some lasagna. Never actually made. I think I saw someone, but I want to eat it myself. Hi, guys, Sama. Hi. Lexi, we're gonna make it a crepe.
Ice cream. People call it ice cream. But
Jam, batter, and fruit, which is easy. Get.
I'll make the jam. You make the batter.
Okay. Now I have an assistant. Batter. Oh wait, doesn't batter go in the oven?
Yeah. Okay, what else do we need? Jam, batter, and we have a
jam, batter, and fruit.
It doesn't go in the oven. I meant to say no, but okay.
Oh,
Get the fruit. Get the fruit.
I got it. Is it in the pot?
Yeah, the batter is in the pot. That's what I meant to say.
Oh, my hopefully this makes a crepe. Oh, no! You can see it. Now of its glory. That actually kind of does
what? Oh no.
Into there. Cook it.
Melted ice cream. That makes.
Okay, let's look. Next thing.
The rarest one. Melted ice cream.
It's Philly cheese steak. We need bread, cooked steak, and cheese.
No.
So we get bread.
What are you trying to make?
Bread.
Philly cheese.
Need to get a steak going.
That's not what that's called.
Yeah, it is. Steak. Wait, what was it? Bread, cheese, and cooked. Whoa, that almost just. Like that cooks.
What does it even look like?
And we need cooked steak. Finish the weight. Okay, got the cheese. Cheese in there. The meat in there. Caught me there. Bang. Let that cook.
Honestly, I'm kind of gonna make a video.
I'm making a video. And just like that, you got your Philly cheesesteak.
For this next clip, me and Grace messed up
Some pancakes,
a bunch of times on the
maple
pancakes, so I'm
and
just
batter.
gonna like make it faster till then.
I hate this.
Pig! It's in the pot! It's in the pot. You lied to all of them. Well, that's how you make pancakes. It's in the pot. You lied to us.
Okay, well, we're gonna have to like. Why are you still naked?
End the video, end the video.